Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'll be guiding you guys how to recover your YouTube account if the original account is disabled. So, for example, you have a brand YouTube account, and the original account is disabled. In this case, for you to be able to recover it, because I want to make it clear so that if you are not in this category, please, you can just skip instead of wasting your time. So if you have made the another email a manager, or you have made another email a ownership, this method will work for you. So let's say remaining to make the email a primary ownership, but you already make ownership, and now the original email has been disabled by Google. Now in this case, you are not the original person that create the first email that own the account. So it will be difficult for you because let's say recently a lot of people buy account, right? And when account is disabled, what Google will automatically do is this: they will bring out the first phone number that is on that account, or if you are the one that created but the first phone number has lost, so there's no way you can recover that account again, and that's another issue. Or let's say the person that sell it for you may not be willing to give you, or you don't even have the way to contact that person back, so that is a loss of account, right? So this video will help you to recover that account. So for example, if you come here, you're going to see I have two email here. I have two email here. Let's say there are three, but one, I would say session expired, session expired, session expired. But one thing is this other one has logo showing that this email is still available, active. So, but now if you look at this other two down here, this other two is disabled because you can see the cancel sign showing that it's disabled. Okay, that's cancel sign showing that it's disabled. So now, yesterday, I'm able to recover this particular one. Okay, I did recover the email, but I've taken the YouTube channel out of it, right? So this down one now is what I want to do today, and I decided, okay, let me do this video to teach you guys this process. So what you're going to do right now is not to log in this email anymore, but let me show you guys the reason what it is, right? So if I click on it right now, it's going to load. I'm going to say next. It's going to ask me to confirm if I'm not a robot. So next again. I'm going to input my password. So this particular phone number now is a phone number for who, God knows who, because I don't know who on this phone number, right? But now I can't recover this. If I try another way, not working, another way, not working. I need to send a code to this phone number to be able to reactivate this account right now. It's a very big deal with me, right? So what I need to do right now is to leave this, right? Then come back to log in another email. So the email we are going to be logging in right now is an email that already have a ownership access. So click on it. So I'm going to paste my password. Trying to log into the email, okay, because the email is not mine, and I just have to save and skip. All right, so after successful login to the email, and then you go to your email interface like this. So what do we need to click? You click the image session, click on that image. You can go through this setting session, but the best way is click the image. When you click on the setting, it shows things like this. So just click on the image and then just click manage. When you click manage, you are going to land on this interface. Okay, when you land on this interface, you're going to do a search. On this search, so you just type in brand. So you can just type in brand account or brand. So you can see it here. You can just see brand account, say manage your Google. So just click on manage your brand account. Just wait to load. So this help section here, where say manage your brand account, you're gonna see a bunch of messages. So just scroll down here. Okay, so when you scroll down here, you're going to see a lot of details. Just go to brand account. So just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open like this. So let's close. So here is the brand account. So you're going to see your brand account here. If you are you are manager, or you are a manager, or you are this ownership. So you're going to see it here. So you just click on this. So when you click on this now, you want to click on this manage permission. So this manage permission is going to open like this. So now we're going to input our password to log in again. So I have input my password. So let me accept. So when we have approved, okay, so we're going to still come and click the manage again. So when you click on the manage section here, you're going to see it here. This is the primary owner. So this account is already disabled. Just look at the logo here. Then this one is owner. So what do we need to do? We need to do what? Click primary owner and then transfer the ownership. Okay. So transfer the ownership. Now you can see that this is the primary owner, right? So because we have already transferred the ownership. So now that you have already transferred the ownership, if I click done, if I click this done right now, if we go to YouTube and refresh this YouTube, that account will not appear. Do you understand? It will not appear. So the one thing we are supposed to do again, if I go to switch account here, okay, oh, congrats, it appears on this. Most time it will not appear until you do this, because I need to show this to most of you, because you come back, make sure you do what? Remove this account that is already disabled. So click on the remove. So now this email now is the owner. There's no any other owner and nothing again. So when you have done this, you have already removed that account that is disabled. You don't have anything to do with that email again. That email is gone. So just forget about that email. Don't suffer yourself recovering it or anything again. So you have already transferred what is valuable from that to another account. Do you understand? So this particular email that this profile you see here is the email that have full access to this account. There's no any other email that will ever have access to this again, except you add. And how do you do that? Come to this plus invite section here and then add the email, go to the role, add, make it as manager or ownership. But I always recommend making ownership, because when issue like this happen, you can easily transfer it after 7 days to another profile. Do you understand? But when if it's manager, taking it to ownership is not possible. You make it owner after 7 days again before making ownership. So it continue, like you keep prolonging. Do you understand? You keep prolonging. So I recommend always just do this in a simple way. Just always make it owner. And also I recommend make at least 2 or 3 email. Owner is a single YouTube account. So when one account is disabled, you can actually transfer. Do you understand? So that is my recommendation. And if you find this video helpful so far, please do wait to subscribe to my channel so you can receive an update whenever I drop new video. Thank you so much. Peace and love. Okay, sorry, I remember something. I'm supposed to end the video right now, but I just remember something. and that's why. Let me check something again. Okay, yeah, that's okay now. So let me go back to YouTube, refresh. Click on this, click and then switch. All right, you can see that it switched, it's working. Okay, so now let's go to our YouTube studio. All right, you can see it here. We are on the accounts. Yeah, congratulations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace and love.